Electricity is the cornerstone of daily life. As more families and more businesses move to Texas, we must meet that growth by expanding our electric infrastructure to move electricity faster and better. When we do, we ensure the opportunities grow and communities thrive. Every year, utilities invest billions of dollars in new transmission infrastructure, and that investment is growing. These new electric projects bring reliable power delivery and growth-enabled affordability, connecting electric generation resources to communities and businesses. The decision to build a new transmission line is not made lightly. Planning begins with the Electric Reliability Council of Texas, or ERCOT, which evaluates long-term reliability needs and future growth across the grid. When a new need is identified, ERCOT and utilities work together to develop proposals that then require approval from the Public Utility Commission of Texas. From initial planning to energization, the process typically takes several years and involves multiple opportunities for landowner and public participation. Here's how it works: route evaluation and public outreach. The utility conducts detailed studies of potential routes, considering factors such as engineering requirements, environmental factors, existing infrastructure corridors, and community impacts. Utilities start by reaching out to numerous local, state, and federal agencies. Utilities send notice to affected landowners and host public meetings in affected communities. Landowners and stakeholders provide input early in the process. Proposed routes are refined in response to public feedback while maintaining safety, feasibility, and cost-effectiveness. Second, the Certificate of Convenience and Necessity, or CCN process. The utility files a CCN application with the PUC. Notice is sent to affected landowners, government agencies, and printed in newspapers. The PUC reviews the application and sends it to the State Office of Administrative Hearings, or SOA. An administrative law judge reviews the application. Affected landowners' other parties may intervene, submit testimony, and participate in hearings. The administrative law judge at SOA prepares a recommendation for the PUC. The PUC makes the final routing decision after considering the full record and public input. Third, surveying and right-of-way acquisition. Once the route is approved, the utility surveys properties along the approved corridor. Utilities negotiate directly with landowners for right-of-way agreements. Compensation is provided for easements. Construction begins only after agreements and necessary approvals are secured. So, to summarize, landowners and the public have meaningful input at several key stages of the transmission process: during the utility's early route studies and in public meetings, during the formal CCN proceeding through intervention, statements of position, testimony, and a hearing on the merits, and before the PUC issues its final order approving the route. Transmission development is deliberate, transparent, and guided by state oversight. It is all part of a long-term commitment to maintain reliability, strengthen the grid, and support the continued growth and prosperity of communities across Texas. Stay up to date on electricity policy and key issues at aact.net.